Okay, got it recording. See if I can get in just a little bit here. All right, this is what I'm doing right now. This is my lines A2. Sorry. My lines A2 and B2. They come out of the transformer down here, and they run up to number 42 tube, and that one is the output tube. Now they connect to 1 and 6, and that is the filament, and then it goes on. So what I've done here, if I can get this and it dials in, I've got A1 or A2 and B2. It's from the transformer. It's lines 3 and 4. And when I look in the schematic, here is the 3 and 4. That, you know, they're open here. They're not running up there. But when you look up here, then all the filaments are 1 and 6, and they have, you know, they're the same thing. So that's for the filament there. So I've got it for 3 and 4. When I checked it, it did have continuity, 3.5 ohms. I wrote down it is the filament voltage, and it goes to 1 and 6 of the output tube, number 4. It's a 42 tube. So I've got that information there right now. So, and these were the ones that originally messed me up, because I thought, for the way it was set up in my head, there were black lines, and I thought, well, they must be the primary lines coming in. But that's not the case. And I figured out that this is D out of the transformer right here. And when I look on the schematic, I can see that we've got one of the lines coming in. One of them's going to go to the switch, and the other one's going to go through part of the filtering or the safety line here before it goes into the the primary. But what I did to find that out, I looked here on my switch diagram, and this part is the switch. The one over here is P2, and the other one is D. Now, this one will be running off the switch somewhere else, so that's how I figured out D was one of the primaries. Let's see, so I figured out D was one of the primaries. So, and I'm going to write that down. And there is no A, and there is no, which one is that? B. This is A and B. Right here, A and B. And there is none of those going to where it would be so far to the switch. So one of these is going to be the primary, but I know D is one. So, alright, that's where I'm at so far. And as I make another move, then I will record it. I'm just going to make chops and kind of show you what I'm doing and why and how it makes sense with my little system that I did. Okay, guys. Okay. Instead of drawing on the schematics and all that, what I've done here is I've got these in my program, and I have 4 pieces, just like the 4 pieces that I made into the one big schematic. This one is number 4, and I made a copy of them, and I call these the color ones. And this one now, I have number 4 is P1, I have it labeled. Number 3 is P2, I have that labeled. And 1 second here.